As you can see, there is a vast drop-down choices available within the marketing sections, and it begins with the ads. For the ads section, it is basically incorporating the ads within Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google, and it manages. So this HubSpot CRM helps you manage all the ads that you're currently running in any of these platforms. You just need to connect those accounts, and all the stats would be available in this unified window. For this, there is one for this specific tutorial. I am not going to create an ad account, but we can explore the quick demo that we can, which HubSpot provides before you connect accounts. So you can have a heads up around what kind of data would be available in this. So we click on the see a quick demo button. Okay, so I have never run ads before. You can choose either of the options, but let's just go with this. So it's going to provide us a very detailed demo. Now this is a sort of a dashboard of ads which would be available with all its snippets. Once you have those ads and all the running campaigns, it will be available. For now, let's say we have this lead generation ad. Now the best thing about this is that we can also create ad graphics from the HubSpot and directly publish them as well. Once you have created them, this is how the preview of the ad would look like on your Facebook. Next thing is to set the target audience. So you can have a variety of options if you want to import a new audience. If you already have an audience, you want to target the filter based on the location, the demographics, or the age range. Obviously, you can do that based upon whatever kind of ad you want to run on your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or maybe Google. The next thing is just to hit the publish button, and once you hit the publish button, that would be live, and you would be able to see the impressions around that specific ad, number of people who've clicked on it, the total contacts which were generated as a result of this ad. Now by the total contacts, we mean here is that within this ad, you would be able to that ad basically had an embedded form with it, which was prompting the users or the visitors to enter their information. If out of 27 people, one person has clicked on that form and filled it out, so you can see one contact available around that. This is somewhat of the ad pricing, and this is how it is available in this. You will now click on the contact that has been created. You can see that the contact was Alex Smith, who filled out the form and submitted. If you want to go on his details, you can also see the information specific to him. Now there's an important thing that the current, you can see the information about that contact from the contacts tab as well. So this is just a quick demo about the ads. I have not linked any of my account, but we have gone through how the ads work within HubSpot.